Hello my dear students, this is the our question 3 of exercise 8.6. Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65 and gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Okay, so here what we have to find? Here we have to find how much money did he will get back. So total money 50 rupees. He had the 50 rupees. From the 50 rupees what he bought? Book for rupees 35 and 65. So he spent this much money. How we can find what is the left with him? Total minus spent. Yes. So here we have to do the subtraction, students. So what we have to do? Total money is rupees 50. So here you can write like this way. Left is equal to total minus spent. Total rupees 50 minus rupees 35.65. Okay. Now 50. Here rupees. So how many paise? 0 because 50 is as a whole number. So for the 35 and 65 paise. Understood, student? Okay. Now you have to do the subtraction. Simple. 10, 9, 9 and 4. 5 from the 10, 5. 6 from the 9, 3. Decimal point as it is. 5 from the 9, 4. 3 from the 4, 1. So total is 14.35. It means 14 rupees and 35 paise left with Raju. Okay, he will got back rupees 14 rupees and 35 paise. What he got back? So he got back rupees 14 and 35 paise. Clear, student? Okay. Now question number 4. Rani had rupees 18 and 50 paise. She bought one ice cream for 11 rupee and 75 paise. How much money does she have now? Okay, same like the question number 3. Total Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought the ice cream from 11 and 75. How much left? Here place is there. If you want to write with the small handwriting here, then you can write, student, rupee then paise. 18 rupee 50 paise, we have to subtract 11 rupee and 75 paise. Okay, what is your answer? This much money she has. Clear? So you have to write this one by yourself. Clear, student? Now question number 5. Tina had 20 meter and 5 centimeter long cloth. Okay. She cuts 4 meter and 50 centimeter of cloth from these for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? Same like students third and fourth. Total cloth how much? 20 meter and 5 centimeter. So here meter and centimeter. Be careful, students, when you are writing the meter and centimeter. 20 meter full, 5 centimeter, it means 0.5 centimeter. Why we wrote 0.5? Because we have to write into 2 digit. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here we want after decimal 2 digit. Okay. So this is the 0.5 centimeter. And she cuts 4 meter. From this long one cloth she cut this much. 4 meter and 50 centimeter. We have to do subtraction. 4 meter and 50 centimeter. Okay, if we will write over here 5, then it's again 50 centimeter. So be careful when you are writing this scale while using the meter, centimeter, gram, kilogram, rupee, paise. Okay, here it is given 5 centimeter. So we have to write 5 only. Okay, so now subtraction, try by yourself. Question number 6. Namita travels 20 kilometer and 50 meter every day. Okay, every day 20 kilometer and 50 meter. Out of these, she traveled 10 kilometer and 200 meter by bus and rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? So total how much, students? 20 kilometer and 50 meter. Okay. From these, by bus 10 kilometer and 200 meter. If we subtract the by bus from the total kilometer, then we will get by auto. Very easy, students. Again write kilometer and meter. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? Here write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here we want the 3 digit. Okay. Why? Because 30. So 20 kilometer and here 50 meter. It means 50 meter. Understood? Clear, students? Why we wrote the 50? If we write first, then it is a 500 meter. Because we want here 3 digit, 1, 2 and 3. We have the 30, that's why. Clear? Then easy. Out of these, she travel by bus 10 kilometer and 200. Yes, 200, 3 digit already we have. Okay, this one is a total and this one by bus. Here also you have to write, students, this one is a total and this one used for making cutting. Okay. Now subtraction have to try by yourself. Clear? This much thing only important, students. If you are able to write 1500, 500, 5 meter, whatever. Okay. Then it is very easy. Now question number 7. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Out of these, 3 kg and 500 gram is onion, 2 kg and 75 gram is tomatoes and the rest is potato. What is the total weight of potatoes? So total how much vegetable he bought? Yes, 10 kg. From this much onion and this much tomato. Rest is potato. So what we have to do? First we have to add these two. And after adding this sum, we have to subtract from the total kg. Yes. So here kg and gram. 3 kg and 500 gram. 1 kg is equal to how many gram? 1000. So we want over here 3 digit. Here we have the 500 gram. It means 3 digits. Yes. And 2 kg and 75 gram. So 2 kg addition 75. It means here 75 and here 0. Clear, student? So here 5, 7, 5, 2 plus 3, 5. So total, here write the onions. Here write tomatoes. And this one is a total of onion and tomatoes. Okay. Now we have to find the weight of potatoes. So how we can find for potatoes? Again write kg, gram. Total kg how many? 10 kg. Gram 0, 0, 0. From this one we have to subtract the tomato and onion. So 5 kg and 575 gram. Okay. Here 10, 9, 9, 9 and 0. 5 from the 10, 5, 7 from the 9, 2, 5 from the 9, 4. Decimal point as it is, 5 from the 9, 4. So what is the weight of the potato? Here write potatoes. Here write onion plus tomato and here write total. Clear? So down statement you have to write what is the weight of potatoes. Weight of the potato is 4 kg and 425 grams. Clear, students? So here our chapter is over. Only you have to learn how to write according to its place value. Then it is a very easy chapter, simple subtraction and addition only we have to do. Just we have to identify its proper place. Okay, thank you. Write in your notebook, students, nicely. Complete your notebook. If it's left, then please students complete it fast. Thank you.